everyone, my name is Anastasia Durnevska. I'm CMO at Gain Ventures, and we are here at TGE Summit at Cornell Tech University, and we are talking to Zac from Valt, our portfolio company. Hey Zac, what's up?
Hey, how's it going?
Everything is going great. Do you enjoy the conference?
Yeah, I'm enjoying it a lot. Actually, a lot more than I thought I was going to, in fact.
Oh really? How so?
Well, I was up early catching a flight to New York and totally exhausted, and I've been on the fundraising circuit for months now. So frankly, I was like, oh geez, another one of these summits, but it has been an incredibly valuable experience. I've made a ton of great connections, got a chance to go on stage and get some basically free consultation, so it's been a tremendous value.
Speaking about this free consultation stage experience, how did you feel? Was it nervous to be there alongside the experts who are taking your project to consideration and roasting you, basically?
Well, as a founder, somebody put it really well during this exact summit. Being a founder is like getting kicked in the balls every single day. It's a painful experience, yeah. So I'm used to being grilled. I'm used to people sort of being pessimistic about what we're doing. That wasn't uncomfortable, but I was actually pleasantly surprised. On stage, I was in the fundraising segment, and they went through my deck, and the feedback was actually really positive. They said the presentation was really good. They gave some really useful points, though, which we can dive into.
What was the major takeaway after the feedback they provided to you?
The major takeaway is that I need to be very clear about our business model being a multi-phase deployment schedule. We can't be everything to everybody right at the beginning, so we have to be very specific about our go-to-market strategy and expanding out. And unless I articulate that clearly to investors, they're not going to get it.
Great. Speaking about the conference format, I bet you've been to a lot of them, and this is pretty unusual one. So what is your take on what's going on there behind the closing doors? Because I don't have a chance to be there. I'm here all day.
I know. I wish you were there. Maybe next year you'll get a chance to see what it looks like on the other side of the doors.
Sveta.
Yeah, there you go. No, it's been great. So for context, if you've been to something like Token 2049, especially the main event, it's like a business rave, and I'm baffled that anybody can get deals done. Whereas this is a much more intimate setting. I can have meaningful conversations with everybody in the room. In fact, by the end of the day, I feel like we sort of are a cohort and we all kind of know each other a little bit. So that's been great.
So cool, right?
Yeah.
To take away all these contexts from that room to your pocket.
Absolutely.
What is the new exciting stage for Valt by the end of the year?
Yes, so we are closing our seed round now. We're syndicating a whole bunch of investors together, and so that's an extremely exciting thing for us. I'm the one person on the team that has the ability to be full-time. So having all 7 of us full-time, we're going to be able to just go turbo mode. And the goal is by this time next year, we'll have over 1 million users.
How big the team is?
7 people.
7 people. 7 is a good number.
Yeah.
By the way, Valt is Gain Ventures portfolio company. Why you decided to choose Gain Ventures among all other VCs who are trying to help projects figure it out?
A number of reasons, but I think maybe the main reason is Sergey in particular was able to see what we're trying to do almost immediately. I didn't have to spoon feed it to him. He could kind of read between the lines as to our strategy for solving this problem that a lot of people have tried to solve and have failed. And so I think that alignment of vision really suited us very well. Not to mention, like, Gain Ventures is extremely well connected and has afforded partnerships that are still paying dividends for us.
That's so cool. Thank you, Zac, for providing your feedback, and hopefully you're going to enjoy the rest of the conference and the after party. And we just spoke with Zac Wickstrom, founder and CEO of Valt Project, part of Gain Ventures family. Thank you, Zac.
Thanks, Anastasia.